In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a blog on Squarespace in just about 5 minutes. Squarespace, as many of you know, is a powerful tool for creating stunning websites without needing to know a single line of code. Today we're diving into how you can enhance your website by adding a blog. Blogs are fantastic for sharing news, updates, or even just your personal thoughts, adding a dynamic element to your website that can keep visitors coming back. First off, let's head over to Squarespace. You'll find yourself on the home page of Squarespace, a starting point for our little adventure today. Here you'll want to look for the login button. Give that a click. Squarespace gives you a few options for logging in, but for simplicity and efficiency, let's go ahead and click on Continue with Google. It's a quick route if you've already got a Google account. Once you click that, a list of your Google accounts will appear. Click on the account you want to use for Squarespace. After logging in, you'll find yourself on the Squarespace interface, which showcases any websites you've already created. Go ahead and click on your website, the one you're planning to add your blog to. This will take you into the back end of your Squarespace site where all the magic happens. Now look for the Pages section. This might seem a bit daunting at first with all the options available, but don't worry, we're focusing on one thing today, adding a blog. Once you're in the Pages section, you'll see all the pages you've currently got on your website. To begin the process of adding a new blog, you'll need to click on the plus icon, which represents adding a new page. Upon clicking, a menu will pop up offering several page options. Here you're looking for the blog option. Click on that and you'll be one step closer to sharing your thoughts with the world, or at least your website visitors. After you've clicked on blog, Squarespace will prompt you to choose a blog format. Each format has its unique style and functionality, so take a moment to choose the one that best fits your vision. After selecting your blog format, you'll find yourself looking at your brand new blog page on your Squarespace site. It's a blank slate waiting for your content, but first, you need to give it a title and potentially adjust its settings to fit your needs, which you can do by navigating through the blog settings. Feeling ready to jump into writing? Great. Go back to your blog page and you're going to want to click on that plus icon again. This time it's all about adding your first blog post. When you click on it, you'll be presented with an option to add a blog or new blog. Since we're here to add a blog post, go ahead and make that selection. Now you're finally on the screen where you can let your creativity flow. Write your blog title, your content, add images or videos to make your post even more compelling. Take your time here. This is your chance to communicate with your audience. Squarespace's editor is quite intuitive, so play around with it. Once you're satisfied with your blog post, take a deep breath and hit that publish button. Congratulations, you've just added a blog post to your Squarespace website. To wrap things up, adding a blog to your Squarespace website is a fantastic way to engage with your audience, share your knowledge, and even improve your site's SEO. The steps we walked through today are just the beginning. Squarespace offers a wealth of customization options to make your blog truly yours, from adjusting the layout to integrating social media. So don't hesitate to explore and experiment. I hope you found this walkthrough helpful. Squarespace makes these processes straightforward, but it always helps to have a guide the first time around. Whether you're looking to, start a personal blog, share company news, or anything in between, you now have the knowledge to bring your ideas to life. Happy blogging, and I'll see you in the next video.